Okay, guys. Today we'll be talking about how to create a birthday video. It mustn't necessarily be a birthday video. You can send videos to your friend, to congratulate them on any occasions. Now, this is a sample of a video we are talking about. Okay, so
Everybody has
let's look
reasons
at
to
this.
celebrate a particular day in any month, but I choose to celebrate 9th of May as it's the day Joy Alabama was born. On her birthday, I thought of giving her the cutest gift in the world, but then I realized it not possible because she herself is the cutest.
Okay, fine. We'll be creating this video using Microsoft PowerPoint. Yes, that's what we use as our video editor, Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be taking you step by step on how to do this. Now, to do this, first you need to have the text which you want to send to your friend. It can be anything. It can be just happy birthday. It can be you are the best friend ever. I want to be with you like for the rest of my life. It can be anything. Then you need the pictures of the person as well. Now, the tools we need to do this work. One is your Microsoft PowerPoint. Two is a text to speech application. That is if you don't want to do a voice over yourself. Now, this is the text I have done already. Everybody has a reason to celebrate a particular day in every month, but I choose to celebrate 9th of May as is the day Joy Alabama was born. I can decide to do a voiceover of this. That is, I record my voice and use it with the sound, with this text. But I don't want to give myself that stress. Yes, no, I don't want to give myself that stress. So I will just copy this text. I have a text to speech application. I will leave a link in my description to tell you how to download the one I have if you don't have any already. So all you need to do is to paste it inside the application. So once you're done, the next thing you do is just to click on speak. Okay, so it's speaking. Okay, so let's stop it. So that's the voice of Zira. There's also a voice called David here. That's a male voice. You can choose anyone you want, but I mostly use the Zira's voice. So once you're done with this, you can just use speak to wave. Once you click speak to wave, it will export your voice in a wave format into your document or any preferred folder you choose. I've already done that already. Now the next thing you want to do, please, I'm sorry to say this, you will need another application to change your wave format into an MP3 because Microsoft PowerPoint only accept MP3 format. They don't accept the wave format. So to insert the video, the audio, you just need to come to your insert, click on audio, go to import audio from file, then you look for the audio. I've imported my audio already. This is it here. So the next thing we need here is the pictures. So you come to the pictures. I have pictures I've selected, 5 of them. You can just click, come to the side, and we paste. So once we're done with this, we have our pictures, we have our videos. So the next thing we need to do is to animate the text against the pictures and the voice, so we know how it comes in and when it goes out. So that will be all for this particular section. In the next section, I will be taking you step by step on how to animate your voice to the text and to the video, to the image, so that everything will go well. And I promise you will like it. So to watch this tutorial on how to animate your pictures, please click on the video showing on your screen now.